Wagwan, beautiful people. Greetings, man, from in sunny Jamaica. Thanks for stopping by. So today, guys, I'm in Burn Savannah, St. Elizabeth. So let's explore our beautiful Burn Savannah. So tell me what you think about this area, guys. Enjoy the tour. So in Burn Savannah, you will see a lot of bikes. Yeah, man, it's a bike community. I don't know if you will see much bike today, but it's a bike community also. So I'm very close to the Burn Savannah Seventh-day Adventist Church coming up on your right. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. So if you want to come to the Burn Savannah Seventh-day Adventist Church, it is right here on your right, very close to the Burn Savannah Primary School. And also you have an hardware, which is Jen R. House Hardware, right beside the Seventh-day Adventist Church. And also very close to the Burn Savannah Primary School. So on your right, this is the Burn Savannah Primary School. This is the play field. On your left, you have the Judith Hotspot. Yeah, man, Judith Bar is a sports bar also, so you can check out them bar there. So on your right, this is the entrance to the Burn Savannah Primary School. And also on your left, you have the Burn Savannah Post Office. Yeah, man, big up all the taxi driver. Big up yourself, Jeff. You big up yourself. One of the cleanest taxi driver on the road, Mr. Jeff. Cleanest vehicle also. Big up yourself anyway there. Coming up, we have the Starliner Entertainment Center on your left, and also right there you have a cook shop. Yeah, man, so when you're in Burn Savannah, you can stop here and you can order your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I do a lot of videos in Burn Savannah, as you know, things change like every day. So I normally give an update. So guys, just enjoy it with your True Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid. And also we have a farm store in Burn Savannah. So guys, if you need a farm product, yeah, man, very reasonable. You can come right in the Burn Savannah area. A lot of different supplies you can get right there. Yeah, man, so this is the farm store. Big up yourself, K. Marie. Big up yourself. Know we have a lot of good customer service. Yeah, man, very respectable lady. Big up yourself, K. Marie. One love and one heart. Yeah, man, so let's go, guys. Enjoy the tour same way. Know Jamaica with Fire Reid. This is a channel that's all about knowing Jamaica, rural areas, also the town areas. But you know, a lot of people forget about the countryside. And because I love the country, I show people that we are going to the countryside, also the town side to see them. Big up on yourself. So guys, we are now in the top Burn Savannah area, guys, very close to a play field in the Burn Savannah. A lot of people supposed to heard about that play field. Yeah, man, a lot of events used to keep there. Them call it, so them call the play field up the road ball ground, you know. Yeah, man, so if you know the Burn Savannah area, you can recall the name there, you know. Big up yourself, Barcode. Big up yourself. So the play field is on your left, guys. So guys, you can also indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, indicate so we can know people them, the fans them, big up on yourself, anyone I watch from yard or abroad. Big up on yourself, one love and one heart as usual. So guys, we're gonna make a left turn. We're gonna show you the Baptist church in the top Burn Savannah area, and also you have a basic school right there, and also the clinic. So guys, tell me what you think. Yeah man, so this is the clinic right here, and right next to the clinic you have the basic school and also the church. So guys, we're gonna make a left turn. So I'm gonna show you an area where they have lot for sale, very close to the Palm area, guys. Yeah man, so they have lot for sale. If you see this area and you like this area and you need to buy a lot, so you will see exactly what this area look like, very close to the Palm Estate. I think the place named Ella Villa. Yeah man, you can get a nice view over into the Palm area. Very, very nice view, guys. So you need to check that area out from early. So if you like it, you can get it. guys, we are very close to the area where they have the lot for sale. It's coming up on your right. As I said, it's very close to the Palmbrook estate, guys. Yeah, man. Think it's Bella Villa. Yeah, man, it's Bella Villa. Yeah, man, so you can see the number. You can contact those persons to get some more information, guys. So I'm gonna take a tour up there and show you exactly. It's not a big property, but I know it's a very nice area, guys. So just check it out. Oh, it's Bella Vista. Yeah, man, Bella Vista, guys. Yeah, man. And also, I see there is hygiene in the area. So for once you see hygiene, they're supposed to have water there. So you know if you're buying property, you know you want your light and water. So as you can see, they have light in the area and also they have their fire hydrants. So now we're taking up on the hill and turn and you always see the view over into the Palmbrook estate, guys. I'm very close to the Palm Brook area, guys. So Palm Brook is right on your left. So welcome to Palm Brook Estate. So this is the entrance of Palm Brook Estate, guys. Yeah, man, so you can see the beauty at the front, nice landscaping and thing. So them lot there sell for like $6 million and stuff and more. So just view the area. So we will see what Palm Brook entrance look like, very close to the Bella Vista also. So guys, we're very close to the Jamaica Zoo area, guys. So we're gonna make a right turn. So this is the entrance to the Jamaica Zoo. And the other day, the zoo did have an incident, so the zoo did close down. So I believe the zoo is reopened, guys. So take a tour. You will only see the entrance. Yeah, man, just showing how to get to the Jamaica Zoo if you're coming from the Palm Brook side. Yeah, man, so this is how you get to know Jamaica with Fire Reid. So welcome to Jamaica Zoo, guys. So guys, we have a police station in the Lackover area, guys. So if you run into any difficulty, so they have a police station in the Lackover area right at this stop. So in case you can chop a tire or you need some assistance, yeah man, just know your surrounding, guys. So we're gonna make a left turn, guys. In this area we normally call it stop because there's a stop sign right here, so we normally call it stop. So we're gonna make a left turn, guys. Yeah man, so we're gonna make a left turn. We're gonna use the old bridge. That is the Lackover Old Bridge. And this road can also take you to the Slipe area, guys. If you make the left turn, the left turn is coming up right now, guys. If you make the left turn, it will take you all to Slipe, Frenchman, Catabo, Salt Spring, them places. So this is the left turn, guys, will take you to the Slipe area, guys. And also it can take you way back into the Black River side on the Crane Road. So you can drive them places about Black River too. Yeah man, so we're going to the Old Bridge. So we're having some bumpy ride, guys. As you can see, the road condition, it's not so pretty. But if you want to get to your destination, sometimes we have to use them bad road here. Sometimes we only call the front end. But I think the government need to look into this system. I said the road is very bad, so they need to assist in these bad area, guys. If you drive them places at night time, you never can tell. You don't know who is on the car now. You slow down, somebody just saying, just reality in life, you know. Them places when the rain fall, water come down heavily. I know a lot of people know them two old building here. Yeah man, them ancient days building here. So if you pass in the Lackover area, so we're gonna cross the bridge now, guys. Nobody cannot cross it. Yeah man, but you know Fire Reid gonna cross it this morning, so enjoy the ride with Fire Reid across the Lackover Old Bridge, heading towards the New Bridge section, guys, but we're not gonna take it on the New Bridge side. We're gonna go to Tombstone. One place I'm calling Tombstone. Tombstone, that is where two persons have an altercation and they end up take each other life or something like that. That's what I heard. So we're gonna make the left turn, will take us to the Tombstone area. Also, this area can take you to the Holland Bamboo, also to Black River. So now I am on the main road which can take us you all to Santa Cruz and to Black River. As I said, I'm going to the Tombstone area side close to the Lackover High School, guys. And also we have 2 service stations in this area, guys. 2 gas stations. So if you make the right turn, it will take you all to Appleton Estate. That is a two in the Lacovia area, guys. You have a Texaco gas station, and also you have the Kingman restaurant in Lacovia. So that's gonna be our journey for the day. So guys, look for the next video soon. You will see from Kingman restaurant to the Holland Bamboo area, guys. Yeah man, need to know Jamaica inside out. This is the right channel here on True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, so check out the video them, share the video them. One love, one heart. If you learn something about Jamaica, give it a big thumbs up, free of cost. Yeah man, blessings and I wanna watch from again. True Jamaican Vibes.